They're called button cells, coin cells, or watch batteries. By any name, these tiny round batteries pose a choking danger to small kids. And if a child succeeds in swallowing a button cell, the battery may short circuit in the moist esophageal environment, burning the tissue. A few thousand kids wind up in emergency rooms each year after swallowing a button battery. But a team of Harvard and MIT researchers that includes prolific inventor Robert Langer thinks they have a partial solution, a protective coating. The scientists covered batteries with a material, technically a quantum tunneling composite, in which microparticles of conductive metal are suspended in an insulating layer. Under most circumstances, including inside of a child, the layer is non-conductive. But when the material is subjected to high pressure, the microparticles are squeezed close enough together to carry a current. One such pressurized environment is the typical battery compartment in a small device. You often have to force the battery into place.